Let's go! Oh my gosh. Okay, so cross pieces here, 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 and here. I saw in inspection that this edge and this corner could easily be solved in an X cross minus this cross edge. And I also saw that this corner would end up here and this edge would be in the back after I did that. I just did that solution there and then it went straight into this pair, and that's like double X cross minus cross edge here, so very scuffed. Insert this cross edge and then free pair into another free pair into J perm. And yeah, that's the solve.